Talking about them haters. Send them haters. We talking about them haters. We send them haters. Oh yes, I see them haters. So I know that you hate, I know you hated me, but still I'm over here today. I see in what I see. You hating all that good, oh, that good up on that V. The other one that's over there, you see on TV. You hate them when they people shine, you hate them when they grind. You hate them other ones today because they got your pie. You hate them all the ones today because you wanna hate. Some people wanna hate today because they do today. They wanna hate us. Oh yes, they wanna hate ya. Talking about they hate ya. The people wanna hate ya. I said, do you hate us? I know that you hate us. Oh, when I say you hate us, but still you wanna hate us. I know that you hate the time, you hate the what we do. Some people hate the skin that we coming through. They hating what we do today. They hating what we say. They hating when we doing trend. They hating what we say. They hating cause we confident, so confident with us. They hating all the things today. They say we not enough, but then they try to do the thing. They do the thing we do because they over here today. They hating what we do. I say they hate us. Oh yes, we got some haters. I said they hate us. Oh yes, we got them haters. Talking about them haters. Oh yeah, we got them haters. Oh, when we got them haters, I know they wanna hate us. So even though you wanna hate, that make me cry harder. Because I wanna see you hate, because I'm starting on ya. I hate you over here today, you hate them with a smile. But still I'm over here today, you know I drive you wild. I'm driving you the wild today, you coming over here. So every day you wanna see what you gonna do to here. But you would say them negative words, you trying to get me down. But let me see you hate me, but still we in and tell you it's a hater. Oh yes, I see the haters. Talking about your haters. Oh yes, you wanna hate us. I said, do you hate us? Because they wanna hate us. Oh yes, they wanna hate us. Because they wanna hate us. Talking about the haters. I know we got some haters. I know you got some haters. Because we got them haters. Oh yeah.